Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's point of view, the Pleiadians wanted to talk to us about what they see as one of the blind spots that we have in the spiritual community, something that is tripping up a lot of lightworkers and starseeds. But before we jump into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So the Pleiadians have been chatting with us recently about something they see as a little bit of quicksand that we have in the spiritual community, something that is tripping up a lot of lightworkers and starseeds without them realizing it. And that's what they have been referring to as the fact that most of us have outgrown most of our spiritual tools. Now, if you have been on your spiritual path for a while, and if you've done any sort of healing work, you have probably heard your healers and teachers talking about how our spiritual path is like an onion. We move through it in layers, and we have to go in a particular order. You have to start with the outer layer of the onion. And as we work through that layer, then we move on to a bigger, denser layer. And so, because we move through our spiritual path in layers, our tools have to move with us. And one of the things that is tripping up a lot of lightworkers and starseeds is that we have moved beyond the level of most of our spiritual tools. So we'll often talk in the spiritual community about how the first layer that we all start working on when we have our awakening is what we sometimes refer to as the individual energy layer. And that is just referring to all that stuff that we have accumulated in this lifetime. So 90% of the tools that we have in the spiritual community are designed to work on this level of energy. And this is the most simple layer of energy, the smallest layer of energy, but after a while, we have processed that layer of energy. And what happens next is we start to move on a bigger layer of energy. We start to move on to collective energies, planetary energies, to work with template level energies. And all that means is this is a bigger layer of energy. The energies are much larger, much more complex. And so because of that, the tools that worked on individual level energies don't work on the next layer of the onion. And so one of the things that can happen to a lot of lightworkers and starseeds is we just keep using the same tools. And the inevitable result of that is that they stop working. So if you have noticed that you've been on your spiritual path for a while and things don't seem to be budging anymore, that you are really not seeing those results that you used to see, or that you have a couple issues that no matter what you do, you just can't shake it. This is a sign that you have moved on to another layer of the onion, that you are working now with bigger energies. And our energy tools have to grow with us. But one of the blind spots we have in the spiritual community is that we keep using the same tool, even though most of us have outgrown it. And this is especially true if you are a starseed. You are here to work on bigger energies. So most starseeds are now working on collective energies. And what that means is we have to have tools that work for that layer of the onion. Because if we are using tools that don't match our level of development, we are wasting our time. So one way that you can kind of look at this is imagine you're starting to go to the gym for the first time in a long time, and you have to start with the little pink 2-pound weights, right? And those might work for you for a week or two, be exactly what you need. But after a week or two, you've outgrown the 2-pound weights. And you can keep using them. There is nothing wrong with that, but you're not going to make any more progress until you start to stretch your muscles more. You've got to start using the 5-pound weights, the 10-pound weights, because your muscles have adjusted to the first level. You have accomplished everything that could be accomplished with 2-pound weights. And so what happens is you've got to increase. So what happens is your tool has to grow with you. If you keep doing the same thing that you have been doing, you stop seeing results. And this is what the Pleiadians are seeing is happening to so many lightworkers and starseeds. We keep doing the same thing. And what happens is it's not working for us anymore. So for those of us who are light workers and starseeds, especially if we have been on our spiritual path for a while, chances are excellent that we have cleared the individual layer of energy and we have moved on to much bigger energies. But here's the thing, y'all. Almost all of the tools that we have in this spiritual community are individual level tools. They are 2-pound weights. And most of us have moved beyond that. And so what the P's are noticing is tripping up a lot of us and keeping a lot of starseeds from really moving into their soul mission and doing what they're here to do, is that they don't have the tools to work with the level energies that they are processing right now. So they're still using the 2-pound weights, which is doing nothing for them. So it's not to say that the 2-pound weights that are typical spiritual tools aren't wonderful, perfect, very important tools, but they have a lifespan. And once we have cleared that layer of energy, we need bigger tools. So one thing that the P's notice that is tripping up a lot of light workers and starseeds is that we don't have appropriate tools. We are working with 2-pound weights. And that is just going to do nothing for the level of energy that we are now dealing with. And the P's have noticed that almost no one is talking about this. And so starseeds and lightworkers are just spinning in place. And they are starting to feel confused, like nothing is working, nothing is moving. We are starting to get frustrated as an awakened community. But all that is really needed is we need appropriate tools. We need tools that can move the level of energy that we are now processing. So very important, and the P's are encouraging us all to examine the tools we are using. Make sure they are appropriate for your level of spiritual development. And if you need some help with this, if you have realized that the P's may be talking to you, click the link in the description to work with me and the P's one-on-one. This is what the P's are focusing on with my clients right now, is teaching them the next level of spiritual tool. Because again, we have outgrown most of what is available to us and we need bigger tools. Otherwise, we are just wasting our time. So very important that our tools keep pace with our level of consciousness. As we evolve, our tools have to evolve. So this is something that has been tripping us up. So the P's have been wanting to just bring this to our attention. So I hope this has helped you. As always, if you need help with this, click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.